everyone, welcome to RK Overseas Education. My name is Vanshika and today I'm going to give you a practical guide about the student visa for Czech Republic. A lot of students are asking about how to proceed with the Czech visa, how to get admission into Czech Republic and what all the documentation process is about. But no one is giving a proper information to the students. So I am here to guide you about all of this. Many students are planning to study in Czech Republic. Most of the students have already got their offer letter, but some of you are still waiting for your offer letter. The visa procedure can be a little heavy, थोड़ा सा time consuming लगता है, but right now I'm here to guide you about all the procedure regarding visa step by step. One of our students recently got his Czech visa approved, and that is the reason why I'm so confident about this video, because I know what I'm going to say, I know what I'm going to tell you about the process for Czech Republic visa. Not only one, we have processed a lot of Czech visas in the past as well. The very first thing to remember is timing. If you're planning for September intake, then make sure you apply for your visa at least 3 to 4 months before. Embassy appointments fill up quickly and applying early can give you a stress-free processing. Make sure late mat karna because Czech Republic ka visa is not a last-minute process. Point number 2. For a Czech Republic visa, your documents falls into two categories. One is apostille documents. Number 2 is translated documents. There is a difference between apostille and translated documents. Apostille is a stamp which you get from the relevant authority to check the relevancy of your documents. Translated document means, so for example, if your mark sheets are in English and you have to get them translated in a Czech language because that is the only valid language in Czech Republic, of course, because that is their language. So you have to get all your documents translated from English to Czech. So make sure कि time से apostille करवाओ, time से translate करवाओ and time से visa apply करो. One common question I get is, can we start the documentation even before receiving the offer letter? Yes, you can, but only if you are fully sure that you are going to pursue your studies in Czech Republic. Because apostille and translation is a paid work and वो थोड़ा expensive हो सकता है आपके लिए अगर आप अपने documentation को पहले ही apostille करवा लोगे, translation करवा लोगे, वो आपका बहुत सारा पैसा consume already कर लेगा. तो अगर आप श्योर हो कि आप चेक रिपब्लिक में पढ़ना चाहते हो, आप अपना प्रोसेस चेक के लिए ही करना चाहते हो, तो ही आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का प्रोसेस आगे करवाओ. और अगर आप बिल्कुल श्योर हो कि हाँ हम वहीं पे जाएंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स आप पहले से ही करा के रखो, बिकॉज दैट विल गोना सेव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. कुछ चैलेंजेस ऐसे फेस किए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने, जैसे कि उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपोस्टाइल होने में थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया है ना, उनको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिला वीज़ा का, क्योंकि आप अगर लेट मिनट अपनी अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करते हो तो चेक के लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक टाइम होता है जिस टाइम पे आपको उनको मेल करना होता है एंड वही टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग आपको फिर अपनी अपॉइंटमेंट मिलती है. आपके ट्रांसलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स टाइम पे नहीं पहुँचे, इसीलिए मैं आपको पहले से ही बोल रही हूँ कि अगर आप श्योर हो अपने चेक रिपब्लिक के प्लान के लिए तो आप ये सारा अपना टास्क पहले ही करके रखो, बिकॉज अगर आप इस काम में लेट करोगे ना तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ेंगी. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेंशन फ्यू डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच यू नीड फॉर योर चेक वीज़ा, विच इज अ वैलिड पासपोर्ट, ऑफर लेटर फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी इन विच यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी, accommodation proof, sufficient financial proof, apostille and translated documents, travel and health insurance, very important, embassy appointment confirmation. If you keep all these ready, then your file becomes strong and easy to process. If you are planning your studies in Czech Republic or any other European country, then we are right here to guide you, to help you, to process your application. So if you want, you can contact us, and thank you so much for watching our video.